Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cloud security framework with McAfee, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build a cloud security framework with McAfee, start by assessing your organization's specific needs. Identify the cloud services and applications in use. Determine the types of data being stored and processed in the cloud. Next, review McAfee's cloud security solutions available for your environment. Familiarize yourself with McAfee Cloud Security Platform features. Begin by deploying McAfee's Cloud Access Security Broker, or CASB. Configure the CASB to integrate with your cloud service providers. Set up data discovery to identify sensitive information in the cloud. Establish data protection policies based on your compliance requirements. Implement encryption for data at rest and in transit. Utilize McAfee's threat detection capabilities to monitor for anomalies. Define user access controls and authentication methods for cloud resources. Integrate McAfee's endpoint security for additional protection across devices. Regularly conduct security assessments using McAfee's tools to identify vulnerabilities. Create a response plan for potential cloud security incidents. Train your team on cloud security best practices using McAfee resources. Finally, review and update your cloud security framework periodically to adapt to new threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.